How's it going, guys? Welcome back. And today I want to talk about the top 3 VPNs that you could use for Xbox. Now, whether you're trying to change your region to play with different players or get some special deals that aren't available in your region, or maybe just get some early access or access to games that are not available in your region, or they might just be banned actually in your country for whatever reason. So using a VPN will actually help you kind of, work around all of these issues, let's say. On PC, obviously, it's very simple. Just get your subscription and download the VPN and you're good to go. However, on console, for whatever reason, it doesn't seem like console providers have that support for VPN providers yet, or VPN applications. So what you can do is download that VPN on a router and then connect your console to that router. So, before we begin, you might be asking, why would you use a VPN if it slows down your speeds and ping? Now, the answer is if you're going to connect to random servers on your VPN and expect your connection to become better just magically, or expect your ping to not slow down, that's not going to happen. Let's say you're playing Rainbow Six Siege, okay? If you're, let's say, in the European area, and you connect your VPN to an American server, obviously you're going to get very bad ping and it's not going to be very playable, with like over 100 ping. As long as you're keeping your ping between 30 and 60, it's still playable, unless you're playing very reaction heavy games like fighting games or such. Now, the way to optimize your connection, in some cases, you might actually speed up your server. You speed up your ping, excuse me. So let's say you're within the European region and you're playing Rainbow Six Siege or Call of Duty. You want to go to the Call of Duty or whatever game you're playing, you want to go to their website and check for their servers. Let's say, where are their servers, their European servers located? So let's say the Rainbow Six Siege server is located in France, okay? And you're going to kind of find out exactly where the French server is located. Let's say it's in Paris, okay? Now, let's say Rainbow Six Siege, I don't know, let's say you're in Frankfurt or Berlin, and you find out that the server is located in Paris. So you're going to connect to a Paris server so that there's so little distance. There's little distance between the server you're connected to and the game server that's, let's say, it's connected right here. That's going to give you much better results rather than, let's say, your game server is connected in Paris, you're located in Berlin, and then you connect to the UK. You can see how that is going to take a little bit longer in order to transfer data, therefore worse latency. Whereas, just a little bit of research of finding out where your game server is located and then connecting to the right server closest to it, that will give you the best results, and in some cases, better ping, in fact. So, yeah. Now, these are some of the best VPNs you could use for Xbox, and they're great VPNs in general, really. Now, they all have router support, and there we go. There's ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark. By the way, if you're interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links in the description down below. But besides that, all these VPNs are super solid VPNs. Now, if you're going to ask me for, the best VPN overall, I would say it's ExpressVPN. If you're looking for the highest amount of regions, ExpressVPN has over 3,000 servers in 94 countries. So that's 94 different regions, which is huge. Now, NordVPN has 59 countries available, as you can tell here. And with Surfshark, it's in the middle of around 65 countries with over 3,200 regions, 3,200 servers, and NordVPN with over 5,300 to 400 servers. So yeah, even though they have less regions here, they do have more servers. But if you're interested in, let's say, the most consistent speeds, the thing about ExpressVPN is that it's very consistent no matter which server you connect to. So let's say your speed is at 10 megabits per second, just for an example. If you connect, let's say with Surfshark, and you're located in Europe and you connect to the States, you're going to get, maybe a 40% kind of decrease in your speed, your download speed, let's say, not latency. I wouldn't recommend doing that for gaming anyways, no matter which VPN you're using, because it'll worsen your latency. But when it comes to speed, you're going to get better speeds overall with ExpressVPN. Now, if you're looking for the highest speeds possible, you will get that with NordVPN, because when it comes to just raw download speed, NordVPN seems to be always on top when it comes to Nord links. Though ExpressVPN is not that far behind. In fact, ExpressVPN may just be a little bit, maybe around 5% slower on average. Now, one thing to note about these router apps is that you're going to notice that the most user-friendly router app is going to be ExpressVPNs. It really is just as easy as the regular application itself on PC. So yeah, it's super simple. It's very easy to use. And that's not to say that NordVPN and Surfshark aren't easy to use. It's just that ExpressVPN make it very obvious as to how user-friendly their router app is. So yeah, you'll find all these guides and tutorials on the ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark websites. They'll tell you exactly how to set up your VPN on your router, and you'll be able to find out whether your router is compatible or not. So that'll be it for this video. If you're interested in any of these VPNs, again, they're all super solid VPNs. They all have the same basic kind of features, including a kill switch and split tunneling. But you're not going to be needing that if you're trying to game on your Xbox. You're not exactly going to be needing those. Yeah, they have plenty of protocols, plenty of servers. ExpressVPN will allow you to secure up to 5 devices per subscription. That'll be 6 with Nord and an unlimited amount with Surfshark. However, that fact does not really matter when it comes to installing your VPN on your router, because when you have your VPN installed on your router, whatever device that's connected on that router is going to be secured by the VPN. So that'll be it for this video. Again, if you're interested in any of these, you'll find links in the description down below. And if you're interested in the ins and outs of each VPN, I'll leave individual reviews as well. So that'll be it for me today, and hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys in the next one.